On this air shutoff valve, there's a red mark. If they're running the CNC machine, you want to do that so your product that you're cutting, the cardboard, doesn't fly up and suck up to the thing. If they're not running, wide open, whatever really works for you gets there. But you want this out of your way. You got to make sure this is up out of your way so it doesn't catch on anything. It's got an arm bracket here. The tail has been bent. Somebody's tried to push on it. Unscrew, pull down, one hand, all the way. Then you can use it for whatever you want. Thank you, kid. Thank you, Brian.